Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate you, your time, and your support. In today's video, we are going to be diving into an in-depth review and taking a close-up look at these tattoo needles from a company called OG Produce. I will leave my affiliate links and other Amazon affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check out the gear featured in this video on your end. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I am going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this. Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are going to need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page as well, as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's get right back into this video. Right here in front of me, I have a small assortment of tattoo needles from OG Produce. Let's take a look at the sizes and the boxes here. So right here, I have standard 9-round shaders. This is what the box looks like. This is like a textured produce for the name OG Produce right here, which is pretty cool. I don't really see that on boxes. Here is the side of the box right here. Here is the back of the box. Feel free to pause and read this thoroughly on your end should you choose to do so. Different codes, images here for different types of needles that they offer. And here is the side of the box like so. And you can see there is like a sort of shine to the graphics right here, which is really cool. Same thing with this side right here. That is the box for the needles. They're all the same. The only thing that changes is the sizing. So right here we have standard 9-round shaders. Next to this one we have standard 7-round liner. Here we have a standard 11-round liner. Next to that we have a standard 5-round shader. Here we have the standard 14-round shader, and here we have a standard 3-round liner. So once again, we do have a small assortment of needles. By the end of this video, you will know what to expect from these OG Produce cartridges on your end. Let's take a look at the needles themselves. So I'm going to get one needle from each box, and we're going to take a close-up look at them. Before we continue to take a look at them, let me show you the box on the inside here, and all of them come with the same packaging. The only thing that changes is the needle sizes themselves. Each box comes with 20 needles per box, and I also want to confirm that as well. It is 20 needles per box, as stated right here. It's going to be the same packaging for all of them. Again, the only thing that's changing is the sizing. You can see right there. Here I have one of each needle within this small assortment that I have. This is the standard 3-round liner, standard 5-round shader, standard 7-round liner, standard 9-round shader. This is the standard 11-round liner, and this is the standard 14-round shader. Let's take a close-up look at the needles and let's unpack them so that way we can see what they look like. Now, in terms of packaging and the way this needle is designed, these are one of my favorites. I do have experience with these needles as I have used them, and they perform well. This is the 3-round liner close up. Let me show you a full 360 of this needle here. They do have pre-installed finger ledges, so we don't have to install them. Every needle comes with a finger ledge. I like that open port right there, how it's in the shape of like an arrow point. I do love the color of the cartridges as well. So everything about this cartridge I am in favor of, from the design to the performance. I love the finger ledge, and I love the packaging as well. This is the 3-round liner standard. Let's go ahead and repeat that process with the other ones. Let's take a close-up look at these here. So this is going to be the standard 5-round shader. They're all single use only. Here is the 5-round shader. You turn the needle all the way around, you can see it's identical to the 3-round liner. The only thing that changes are the needle groupings, and you can see this one has a 5, the other one before had a 3. And this is the standard 5-round shader. Very nice. I have experienced next to no needle wobble at all with these. I have yet to experience any needles wobbling around in that tube, which is another thing that I am in favor of with these needles. Their performance is definitely up there. Let's take a closer look at this one right here. So this is the standard 7-round liner. And you can see the 7 there. So it went from 3, 5 to 7. This is the 7-round liner. All of them are the same. Again, the only thing that's changing is the needle size. Moving on to the standard 9-round shader, as you see here. You can see again that number is changing in correspondence to the groupings that we pick. This is going to be the 9-round shader. You can see the grouping is a lot more bolder there. Very beautiful needle design. The next one's going to be the standard 11-round liner here. And you can see the number there is 11. And again, next to no needle wobble. This design right here is real nice and spot on. So therefore I feel like that contributes to the lack of needle wobble, which is a good thing. We don't want any needles wobbling around when we're using them, especially within our cartridges. So this is the 11-round liner, and let's take a look at the last needle, which is going to be the 14-round shader. So right here, standard 14-round shader. And here is the last one, as you can see, 14 there. I'm really trying to wiggle this needle around when I bring it out, and it really doesn't move at all. So not only am I in love with the stability here, I'm also loving the design, the color, and I love that they have a finger ledge right here. I do also love that they do come in various assortments of sizes. Okay, so now that we've taken a close-up look at the assortment that I have here, I would like to switch on over to a different angle so that way we can test out these needles and check out the performance close up. So that way we can get more information. I will come back and relay my final opinions and some insight on the OG Produce cartridges. Are you needing or wanting tattoo guidance? What about 4K high quality step-by-step follow along tattoo sessions? Or maybe one-on-one tattoo support to get answers to your questions that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist? You can now become a Patreon where you will gain access to high quality 4K exclusive step-by-step follow along tattoo sessions. I will be tattooing with you in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I will be explaining what I am doing and why every step of the way. I will also be doing this in a high quality 4K format for your optimal viewing experience. On top of the one-on-one support and on top of the step-by-step tattoo session guidance, you will also gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and place on your end to further develop your skill sets. I will leave a link for you in the description or in the pinned comment section below, or you can head on over to patreon.com/Daniel Yuck. When you become a Patreon, you will be getting one-on-one support where you can ask me as many questions as you'd like that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist. You will gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and practice on your end. You'll also gain access to exclusive high quality 4K footage where I walk you through each and every tattoo session in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I explain all the what's and whys along the way. Become a Patreon today. Thank you for your support in advance. I greatly appreciate you. Allow me to relay some of my final opinions and some insight on how I feel about the OG Produce tattoo needle cartridges. After some experience with this small assortment of these needles here, I can say that these are one of my top favorite tattoo needles, and for multiple reasons. The reason why I would consider these one of my top favorite needles is because of the design itself. I really am in favor of this design right here. I love the finger ledge that comes pre-installed. There are other needles like the quill needles, for example, that we can install a finger ledge. However, the fact that the finger ledge comes on here, I appreciate that. I also love the design here. I didn't experience any wobble at all, so I was really trying to look for it and really dig for any sort of wobbles within my lines. I didn't really experience any at all. From the 3-round liner all the way up to the 14-round shader that I tried, each needle performed with stability and it performed great for hours on end. So on top of the design, on top of the performance, I do also love the fact that these needles come in an assortment from 3-round liners to 14-round shaders. There's standard and there's also bug pin, which is also a big deal for me as I do use multiple size needle configurations. So for those that do need multiple sizes, you may want to check these out as they do offer multiple sizes. I do also love the fact that the finger ledges are numbered with the corresponding needle size, and I know that's just a little detail there, but for me, I appreciate all the little things. So the 3 there is symbolic for a 3-round liner, and every single needle is like that, as I showed you earlier in the video. I also love this little air hole right here. It kind of reminds me of an arrow pointing down. I don't know why I like that, but I do as well. So all in all, I would give these needles a 5 stars easily, and I would highly recommend that anyone check them out, especially if you're looking for new needles. Just a quick recap, I'm going to give the OG Produce tattoo needle cartridges a 5 of 5 easily for multiple reasons. I do love the performance, I love the build, I love the design, I love the finger ledge, and I loved how they performed throughout my entire sessions that I used them for. And as you can see, I did use them for multiple sessions, from lining, I did shading, I did thicker line weights, I did dot work, I did stipple shading. These needles performed on multiple fronts. That will be it for this review right here. If you have any questions at all, I encourage you to please drop a comment down below. Rest assured, I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will also leave my Amazon affiliate links and other affiliate links for you in the description below, so that way you can check out this gear featured in this video on your end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I appreciate your time and I thank you for watching. Have a great day.